Hello, my name is Professor David Penny. I'm a material scientist here at Swansea University, and today we've taken delivery of this plastometer machine, which is going to be fantastic for our research. We do a lot of work with metals, and being able to compare material properties of those different metals, whether we're changing the heat treatments or the alloy constituents or any other different variety you can think of, will be immensely powerful for us. So we work with a lot of different companies. We work with Tata Steel, we work with Rolls-Royce, plus a huge number of other companies as well, from big to the small. And this will be fantastic for us and for our huge number of doctorate students who are engaged in that research. Another use for this kit will be supporting our teaching. Our materials undergraduate students will be able to use this to assess the mechanical properties of a range of different alloys, and we can change variables, we can do heat treatments, we can add in different elements, and then use this to quickly assess the mechanical properties. So it's going to be great for our teaching and great for our research.